Hi, I just wanted to say welcome to my channel. We're going to be doing a lasagna recipe today, and I'm just going to go over the ingredients. You'll need lasagna noodles, garlic powder, chili powder, pepper, salt, and Italian seasoning or basil. You can use ricotta cheese or cottage cheese. I prefer ricotta. Mozzarella cheese for the top. You can use tomato sauce in a can, but I was out, so I'm just using some leftover spaghetti sauce, ground beef or ground turkey. And I usually use a can of tomato sauce and a can of diced tomatoes, but I didn't have any diced tomatoes, so I just got those out of the garden and diced them up myself. And I usually start out by coating the bottom with ricotta cheese. It kind of works as a non-stick spray without being a spray, and it works really good to keep the noodles from sticking. Now I'm just going to add the turkey and all the seasonings to a pan and fry it up. I apologize if I sound a little off or weird. I've been stopped up and a little under the weather, so that's what that is. Once your meat is browned up, you can then add the tomatoes and tomato sauce and just warm it and let it heat all together for a few minutes. Now you'll just want to start your layering process. On top of the ricotta cheese, put a layer of noodles, and then on top of that, put your meat and sauce mixture, and then your ricotta cheese will kindly mix in with your tomato sauce. And I usually put a few sprinkles of mozzarella cheese in with the ricotta cheese, and then just do it until you run out of ingredients. I put this in the oven on 400 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. I also covered it with aluminum foil up until like the last 5 minutes and let the tops get brown. In the midst of all this happening, I had a bad water leak under my sink, so my dad had to come rescue me, but here's the finished product.